Fixing the error establishing a database connection in WordPress on localhost involves troubleshooting the connection between WordPress and the database. Here's how to resolve it. Verify database credentials. Open the wp-config.php file in your WordPress installation folder. Check the following lines. Ensure that DB name, DB user, and DB password match the database you set up in phpMyAdmin. Confirm database server is running. Ensure that MySQL or MariaDB is active on your localhost environment. Open the control panel and start the MySQL service. Check database status. Open phpMyAdmin and ensure the database exists. If missing, re-import the SQL file for your database. Test connectivity by clicking on the database and running a simple query. Repair the database. Add the following line to wp-config.php. Visit the following link and follow the instructions. Debug further. Enable debugging by adding the following. Look for error details to identify the issue.